You know, it's always champagne, wine, all this. That's my lifestyle, classic, elegant lifestyle. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video again is what? It's unboxing. Yes, this is something that was being bought in December, so I'm going to do all this. I said, why should I just open everything in 2020? So I was like, I have to do the unboxing in 2021, so you can have a look like what I have when it comes to certain things in 2020. So this is my second unboxing in 2021. Let's check. It's a Louis Vuitton, and we are going to do the unboxing together. So let's try to open and see what is inside. Okay, so let's do this. Put this down, and then okay, so this is what I have. You can see guys, Pochette, a little bit bigger than the mini, the one in my last video. So this one is bigger. I do go out most of the time, dinner with my partner. We go out dinner like this. So I have like certain handbags. They have to, like my Chanel handbags, I have to protect them, and I wanted to have something like small things, dinner and everything. So this is good. And let me just show you what is inside. And sometimes when you check on the website, you're going to find out they don't have at that time, so you have to wait. So here you can use this, you can use this as a clutch. This is one thing about this. You can use this as a clutch, so you win double, So when I mean you win double, if you don't want to use the bag, you can use this as a clutch. And then for your cards, you have this, the cards and everything. And the spaces is big space for phone and everything, your lipstick there. And I can recommend this bag, like a dinner thing, and also cocktail. You can rock it, but I love this one, and I cannot wait to show you guys. So you can see. So this is my second unboxing 2021, and thank you for watching, guys. Keep on subscribing to my channel and enjoy the year. And you have to work hard to have what you want, like work hard, enjoy hard, So I'm happy to have this, and I'm going to make a video just to show you like my Louis Vuitton collection, as of now. I try to find which type of bag to buy, because I just don't buy like, oh, it's a Louis Vuitton, then I buy and like this. I try to find out what's going to be the benefit for me to have that bag. that's a thing. It's not about, oh, I need to have this bag, and then you don't know the benefit of having it just like in your closet and like this. So you have to really know why you're going to have that handbag, and the benefits it's going to have, and also the future impact. When I mean the future impact, I mean the value in the future. Is it going to be really 20% down, or more than 50% down, or it's going to maintain like this? So thank you for watching, guys, and keep on subscribing to my channel, and enjoy 2021. It's always champagne, wine, all this. That's my lifestyle. Classic, elegant lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Bye.